how to fix Apple Intelligence not showing. So first of all, go ahead to your settings, right? And then go ahead to the general, and then go ahead to the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version in order for this to work out. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead to the official website and then scroll a little bit down to the end of this article, and you're gonna see the devices that Apple Intelligence support, right? As you can see, Apple iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 15, iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and iMac, and Mac Mini, Mac Studio, and Mac Pro. So if your device is not showing here, that means that unfortunately you won't be able to get that feature, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.